Welcome to another BizNet Software financial reporting presentation where we will create consolidations and or groupings using on-the-fly virtual groupings and roll-ups. Within any organization, you can create multiple groupings by any combination of departments, locations, or products. We'll start with an earlier report created with BizInsight that shows an organization that has multiple locations. This existing report allows us to switch between each individual location, but now I want to use the same report to create a grouping that shows the performance of all our locations in Texas, as well as a grouping for all the locations in the Eastern region. I do this by going to an earlier tab in my workbook that we created called List, and in this List tab I created a virtual roll-up table. The roll-up table contains all the locations in my organization, as well as the Segment 2 designations. To create the new virtual roll-up, I'll create a new line and simply type in the name I would choose to give it. In this particular case, the first one will be Texas locations. And now I need to include in the Segment 2 designations any of the locations we're going to include in that roll-up, which will be Dallas and Houston for this particular example. So I'll copy the two segment designations and I'm going to paste them in. So we'll have 002 and 003. I'll repeat the process for my Eastern locations. And in this particular example for Eastern locations, I'm going to use our New Orleans location 004 and our Atlanta location 001. Once I do this, it'll allow me to go into our earlier report that we created. I can use the same list we had earlier, but now instead of just the 5 original locations, I have the 2 new roll-ups. And I can change the drop-down list to pull in these roll-ups, and you see that I have the new Texas location, Dallas and Houston, as well as the new roll-up for our Eastern locations, which will include our Atlanta and New Orleans locations. Now, I want to go in and add an additional location to our Eastern location. So I'm going to modify the original roll-up. Now I want to add in New York, and I'll do this simply by copying the Segment 2 designation 005 for New York, pasting it in. Now I also want to go in and create a consolidation of all my locations, and I'll do this by adding an additional line. I'm going to call it all locations. But for this instance, we're going to include all 5 of the locations in this grouping. So I'll copy 001 through 005, paste it into the new roll-up we're creating, and this will give us a consolidated location report. When I go out back to the report, I see that New York is now added to the original roll-up, and I can change and look at the reports for all locations, which will pull in all 5 locations and their segments. For more information at BizNet Software, contact us below or check out other recorded videos at BizNetSoftware.com.